Ojele Graham. Testimony in the British. Let me go straight. There was a time when it is the go off. If I sleep, I can't sleep it don't break, and I want to break again. If the day just break, I wake up in the morning, can't sleep it don't break. No, I did not break. Just the hope see how night be long. I have to get better time to solve for kind things. Now I did not break. And actually, maybe God will move for us. But I've been praying. I said, I like this prayer in the priest where there is something. I just need somebody. I believe from the message where this young evangelist preached, Brian Bartimaeus, God of Jesus, have mercy on me. Brian Bartimaeus has been praying. He has been praying. So I've been praying, but not the work out. Oh man, yeah, my brother wants to go also. Just tell me about this man of God that this church from Yemamuswe. I said, I just come back. I said, I like to see him. I like see him now. If you come, I don't know if I say I call him. My spirit, my heart, everything say I must come here to come see him. I said, Tom, when we reach here, he said, they should come. When we come on Friday morning, they don't start service. I said, they are no go. We'll come service. God will come back to the service, we met with him, and he gave me spiritual order to follow, how to pray. So I prayed, and ever since I came here, the guy things don't change. I sleep, I feel same as this small. When time said, this people, hallelujah. That's all. I'm never going to understand what I talk. If I sleep, I feel sleep like master to 10 o'clock. But before they go break, now they won't break now. The person not going to knock my door. The way the thing is solved, my heart is like somebody that's carrying 50 pounds of meat in my heart. The road was too heavy. Not to say the work, I don't know the work, I know the work, but something just do well. Something just go well, not go well. Hallelujah. From that very Friday when I come, first of all, I gave you something. I did package 1 or 2 things. Like that, you have to follow the goal like that. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. Please, I want to worship God. Please, I want to worship God. Hallelujah. The world you spoke, turn things around. Your hands raised up has lifted me. You took your life. Don't have you bound. Holy shine tonight. You're the God of all. You said